want to give you a guide to filing a hail damage claim on your home insurance. So let's say your home gets damaged by hail. You know there's damage. There is no doubt about it. You're going to want to call your representative and file a claim. Hopefully your insurance agent will file a claim for you and walk you through the claim process. That's what you should expect. So once they file a claim, you're going to be contacted by the insurance company adjuster. It will either be an adjuster, it could be an independent adjuster that just does an assessment of your home. I would also recommend having the contractor that you choose to work with meet with the adjuster when they schedule a time to inspect your home. That way they can hash out any differences of damage that there might be. So your contractor can kind of act as your representative when they're doing the estimation. So the insurance company will develop the estimate, then they will give you a check for the depreciated value. So they most likely will not give you a payment for the whole value of the claim. They'll give you what's called a depreciated value, less your deductible. So if there's $10,000 damage and you have a $1,000 deductible, they will send you a check for $9,000. After that, the contractor will do the work. Once the work is completed, the insurance company will then send the remainder payment of the damage so you can pay your contractor. So you get your payment, your settlement for your claim in two different check payments. So you file your claim, the adjuster from the insurance company comes out, they develop the estimate, they'll give you a portion of the payment for the damage. Then after the work is done, they'll pay you for the remainder of it. Your deductible, your home insurance deductible is subtracted from that initial payment. So it'll be $1,000 or $2,500 less that initial check payment, and then you'll receive the remainder when the work is done. Brad Bolt with the AmeriGuard Insurance Agency. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you might have. Have a great day.